Today, we'll be taking a look at the best dash cams to buy this year. And as usual, in the description below, we have the links to all the dash cams mentioned in this video. If you think we missed out any item on our list, please let us know in the comment below. Be sure to subscribe for new content and drop a like below. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. vofo A129 Pro Duo. The vofo A129 Pro Duo dash cam is one of the most underrated and economical dash cams, which you can easily get in less than $300, and it comes with all the necessary features and specifications to provide you with the HD video recording of the road ahead. The vofo A129 Pro Duo dash cam has a screen size of 2 inches, and it captures the videos in the 1080p HD video quality. Further is already mentioned that it has a 2 inches screen size, which lets you watch whatever has been recorded on the dash cam. The dash cam is powered by lithium batteries, which are provided in the package of the dash cam, which means you don't have to buy the batteries separately. They are available with the vofo A129 Pro Duo dash cam. Further, unlike all the other dash cams available on the market, the all-new vofo A129 Pro Duo dash cam comes with the adhesive mount type, because of which it is very easy to mount the dash cam in the car without any additional screws or stand. It is very easy to use and control the dash cam, as it comes with certain apps that let you control the dash cam very easily with the help of your mobile phone. The all-new vofo A129 Pro Duo dash cam comes with some built-in features such as Wi-Fi and GPS, which are useful. The stable Wi-Fi connection lets you send files, videos, and images into your smartphone, and with the help of stable Wi-Fi in the car, the dash cam can provide you not only with the actual location, but also with the speed, and it synchronizes with the satellite and corrects its time. The camera comes with certain features and specifications which are truly magnificent. The features, such as the dash cam comes with a Sony 8-megapixel sensor and records the video in 1080p quality. Number 4. Nextbase 522GW. The Nextbase 522GW, one of the widely used dash cams which you can even get for yourself. It records the videos and pictures in 1080p quality. The Nextbase 522GW dash cam has all the features and specifications which are necessary for a dash cam. It comes with a screen size of 3 inches, which helps you see what's been recorded on the dash cam. Further, the dash cam is powered by a lithium battery, which is provided in the package of the dash cam. The dash cam is perfect among all the other dash cams, as it records the videos in 1080p quality, and to further enhance the quality, it features the wide-angle lens, which records the videos in 140 degrees wide angle for more clarity. Unlike all the other cameras, the all-new Nextbase 522GW dash cam features the f1.6 lens, and it can even record high-quality videos in the dark night or in low-light environments. The all-new Nextbase 522GW dash cam comes up with features that are very rare in the majority of the dash cams. The features such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which helps you connect your dash cam with your smartphone and other devices. The dash cam comes with Bluetooth 4.2, and when connected to the Wi-Fi, it automatically syncs the files straight to the phone, from which you can watch, discard, or save the videos. Other features of the dash cam include the GPS, G-sensor, and SOS energy response. Unlike all the other dash cams, this amazing dash cam provides the ultimate support and protection with the features such as the GPS and G-sensor. It provides the exact location where the incident has happened. It is very easy to use a dash cam, as it comes with the Alexa, which lets you control the dash cam with the help of voice commands, so all the features and functions of the dash cam are just a voice command away from you. Number 3. Garmin Dash Cam 66W. The Garmin Dash Cam 66W Dash Cam is one of the most efficient and classic dash cams you can ever get, and it comes with all the necessary features and specifications which you are ever going to need. The all-new Garmin Dash Cam 66W Dash Cam comes in the classic black color, which looks very classic and vibrant and goes well with all kinds of car interior. The size of the dash cam is very ideal for all the cars. The total height of the dash cam is 1.59 inches and the width of the dash cam is 2.21 inches, whereas the total height of the dash cam is just 0.84 inches, and not to forget the fact that the dash cam has a screen size of 2 inches, which allows you to take a look at which is already recorded by the dash cam. The dash cam records the videos in 1440p quality and is powered by the lithium and cobalt batteries provided with the Garmin Dash Cam 66W Dash Cam. Unlike all the other dash cams, the Garmin Dash Cam 66W records the videos in the HD 1440p quality, and thanks to the extra wide 180-degree field lens of the camera, that it records more clearly even in low light or dark environments. It is very easy to use the Garmin Dash Cam 66W Dash. All you have to do is to install a dash cam of 8 GB into the dash cam and it will start recording the videos automatically. Further, when you sync the dash cam with the smartphone, it allows you to control and play the footage from the mobile phone. You can even play the footage from 4 different cameras simultaneously on your smartphone. Number 2. Thinkware Q800 Pro. The Thinkware Q800 Pro dash cam is just perfect in size. The total length of the dash cam is just 4.3 inches. However, the width of the dash cam is 1.3 inches, whereas the total height of the dash cam is 2.4 inches, which are just perfect for vehicles of all sizes and shapes. The all-new Thinkware Q800 Pro dash cam records the videos in 1080p resolution, and it is operated by the lithium batteries. Not to forget the fact that the batteries used in the dash cams are not included in the package. However, you can easily buy these batteries very easily. Here, one more important thing worthy of mentioning is that the dash cam does not need any kind of screws to be mounted in the car. It comes with the adhesive mounting, because of which it is very easy to mount the dash cam in the car. The all-new Thinkware Q800 Pro dash cam records all the videos and images in the 2K QHD 1440p, and it is equipped with a Sony Starvis images sensor, which provides you with enhanced and high-quality images. The Thinkware Q800 Pro dash cam is ideal to use in all kinds of weather conditions. In fact, it can also be used at night thanks to the night vision of the dash cam. The Thinkware Q800 Pro comes with the Super Night Vision 2.0, which captures high-quality videos, and it can even capture the license number plates even in the nighttime, so nothing can escape from the eye of the dash cam. The all-new Thinkware Q800 Pro dash cam comes with different parking modes and other modes for different levels of operation in different kinds of surveillance. Number 1. Nextbase 622GW. This dash cam is neither very small, not very large in size, it is just perfect. The total screen size of the dash cam is just 3 inches, and unlike all the other dash cams, it is battery operated and is operated with the help of lithium batteries, which are provided in the package of the Nextbase 622GW dash cam. Now, record your videos and road trips and all the important occurring in the 4K HD video quality of 1440p and in up to 60 frames per second. The Nextbase 622GW dash cam features the f1.3 lens, which provides high-quality images and videos of the road ahead, and this camera also comes with a wide lens, which and the wide angle of the dash cam is up to 140 and provides a wide coverage of the road for additional protection. The features do not stop here. The 3-inch screen of the all-new Nextbase 622GW is amazing in performance, as it is IPS touchscreen along with the upgraded and enhanced picture resolution and clarity. Furthermore, the Nextbase 622GW dashcam comes with certain connectivity features such as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, which can be used to send and receive data into the dashcam. The Nextbase 622GW dashcam is capable of recording the front and the rear view footage of all the happenings, and it also features the G sensor, G module, and SOS message service. Unlike all the other dashcams, the Nextbase 622GW camera comes with the Alexa, which lets you control the dashcam without touching the screen, as all you have to do is give a voice command. A bonus option, the Garmin Dash Cam Tandem. It is designed and assembled by Garmin, which is a leading brand in camera development, and the size of the dash cam is very ideal for all kinds of vehicles. The total length of the dash cam is 2.16 inches, and the width of the dash cam is 0.93 inches. However, the total height of the dash cam is just 1.61 inches, which ensure the dash cam can be mounted on almost all kinds of vehicles. The Garmin Dash Cam Tandem Dash Cam is powered by lithium manganese dioxide batteries, which are included in the package so that you do not have to buy the batteries separately. This dash cam is ideal for the video recording from the car. It records the videos in 720p format, and unlike all the other dash cams, the all-new Garmin Dash Cam Tandem Dash Cam comes with two 18-degree field view lenses. The all-new Garmin Dash Cam Tandem Dash Cam is loaded with the features such as voice control and GPS. The voice control feature lets you control the camera very easily, and the GPS feature provides you with the precise location and also provides you with the exact speed of the car. For recording videos in the daytime, the dash cam comes with a 1440 Garmin Clarity HDR, which records the videos in fine quality in 720p. However, the dash cam is very efficient in recording the videos in the nighttime. It can record clear videos in the nighttime or in low light conditions. And this dash cam comes with the Dash Cam Auto Sync feature, which lets you sync and play videos directly from up to 4 dash cams. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below.